So this video is about really basic of Tyflow editor. So if we install the Tyflow on our control panel on the right side, we will see the option Tyflow. So just to start with this, the very basic thing how we can start is that we can just go to our standard primitives. We'll get the Tyflow option. We'll just click on that. And if we just drag it, click and drag, we'll have the Tyflow icon like this, and we can have it anywhere. And this is how we can use our Tyflow. So go to the modifier, and over here we can see the editor. The open editors, there's actually all the options for birth operators and delete operators. There's material operators, all these options are there. So just to start with these, and also there's a few different things which are important. One is in the settings, which is the time step. We can change the frame of the simulation from this option, which frame we want. We can change the time scale. Also, another important is the physics. We can actually change the gravity. If we want gravity, we can just keep it like that because this is the default gravity. And if we unclick it, there won't be any gravity. So that is one option. Or we can just change the strength to plus, which will create it to a different direction. So these are the basic options what we have. So just to begin with, what we can do over here, we can just open our editor and we can just right click on it. And there's the preset flows option. We can click on the simple object flow for now, just to start with, and we will be able to see a particle here. And on these options, there's actually all these options, like in the birth option, this is the main thing, like particle birth. So we can change the start from like anything from, this is 0 to 100. We can change the total particles. We can change the position. We can change the speed. So also there's the direction. So if we change the direction to horizontal, the particles will flow horizontally. The simulation will be in a different axis. So we can change like that. We can also have a different shape from these options. So just to start, if we actually change the time, then we can see how the simulation works. The next thing what we can actually do, we can add another one, like simply right click, and again, preset flows, we can just create a simple physics flow this time. And also there's all the particle options. There's shape, what we can change. There's position icon, we can change these things. So with this one, we actually get a position icon. We can see it's right over here. So if we change this, again, it will fall down because of the gravity, and it will work like this. And also because I haven't deleted the previous one, so both of these will work at the same time. And I can change any of these. Like if I go to the previous one, and I can, if I want to change the direction, random horizontal, if I click this one, and now see the first one is actually moving horizontally. So this is a very basic Tyflow editor tutorial that we can start for Tyflow.